Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to add Notion widget on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your App Store in your mobile device. Then search for Notion Widget Tasks. In here, you should download this application over here. Once done, long press on any blank area of your iOS device. Now once the icon starts to jiggle, you can now add a widget. Click on the plus sign on the upper left, and then on the widgets bar, use the search bar, and then look for Notions. Type this, and then hit enter, or search. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.